What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to unbox the FabFitFun Winter 2025 box. It is here. It is gigantic. I do believe I added on some products in here, so let's see what's inside. Oh! It is this beautiful little winter disco scene. I just can't get over how gigantic these boxes are. When I signed up for the subscription, I thought it was a monthly subscription. I was wrong. It is a quarterly subscription. So every 3 months you receive a box. Fall, winter, spring, and summer. So that's really cool. And they offer more than just beauty products. It's like home, bags, supplements. I mean, all kinds of things come in these boxes. So for winter, let's see what we got. I can't even believe it. It is so big. This one is like crazy heavy. I did add on a few products, but nothing insane. I did add this item on. This is my absolute favorite sunscreen. I do prefer the one with body glitter in it, but the Whip Classic, if you know, these are very pricey. I think they're like $18 or something. And I probably go through like 4 or 5 of them throughout the summer leading into fall. In Florida, you know, we use sunscreen year round, but this product is incredible. It's such a high-end sunscreen and it really elevates your experience. I'm willing to pay for that. I think life is all about your experience and your journey. Any item that helps you feel elevated, for me, I can't say it's a necessity, but it's something I definitely want. So this product I think was like maybe $6, which is a great price when I currently pay $18 for them at Target. So that's why I added this on. It's something that I currently buy. The second product I added on was this Wish body butter in Coastal Vanilla. I love body lotion, obviously, who doesn't? And the smell, it's just like a really bright vanilla smell. It's not very musky. It's just a super fresh smelling vanilla. So I'm gonna put this in my bathroom and use it when I get out of the shower daily. Third add-on item I have is the Commodity Gold. I got the Juice Commodity and an Ipsy box a while ago, and it has become one of my top performing fragrances. The complexity of the smell just blows me away. I've never encountered any other fragrance like it, and it lasts a very long time, and it's an extremely high-end product. So when I saw this one on the site, I thought, let me try it. I know Ipsy had this on their site as well, but I think it actually was sold out already. So the packaging doesn't actually say anything about the notes on it. Let's just give it a go. Oh wow, okay, it's a very bold fragrance. Ooh, interesting. Let me look up the notes. Interesting. First smell of impact is like a very strong oud, but then as it sits, it almost has like a smoky note and a sweet vanilla undertone. So let me see. It has an oriental woody fragrance. Middle notes are amber and vanilla, and then the base notes are sandalwood and benzoin. I think that smoky type smell is the benzoin. It is a very strong, bold, warm, in-your-face type smell. It's definitely a unisex smell. It leans a little more masculine other than the sweet vanilla and amber middle notes, but the top note and the base note are very masculine. Wow, that smells incredible. I feel like this is a type of smell that's going to last all day and definitely like stand out in a crowd. I'm really happy I tried this. And another add-on item I got was the R&Co Cassette. It's a curl defining mask. I love R&Co products, and when they come up for a great deal, I'm probably going to purchase them. I do naturally have wavy hair. I did put like a crimp in my hair today, but I'm always looking for a leave-in type product for when I get out of the shower. I don't heat style my hair every day. Typically, I only do it if I have an event or if I'm filming. So I thought this was a great option to try. Okay, first thing are these super cozy socks. Okay, so these items I chose, I did not add them on though, and these are the Unhide Softy socks, and they're valued at $29. which seems kind of crazy for socks, but you know, high-end goods. And they're just so cozy, comfy. I literally cannot wait to put these on. We've had some cold fronts here in North Florida, so this is like perfect timing. I have been on the hunt for a new pair of slippers this season. Usually I get them from Target, and I have like my old Uggs, but I wear my Uggs outside, so I don't want to wear those inside for like a house shoe. And when I saw these online, the MSRP is $68. And look at how cute they are. They're like this moccasin type slipper. And now that I'm looking at them, they are kind of more of like an outside bottom. Look at how cute they are. They're like the shearling fabric, but I'm pretty much just gonna use them as like an indoor slipper. They are not very squishy. They're more like a moccasin type. Yeah, they are like really tough sounding. So maybe these are more like an outside shoe. That's probably why they were $68. And then I chose this item as well. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now I remember people talking about this, like models saying that this was the absolute best makeup base that you could get. And I've wanted to try it since I've seen that. So that's why I got it. It smells really good. It has like this really light citrus smell. So I'm definitely going to be incorporating this and trying it out. And then of course the One Size in Ultra Pink setting powder. This obviously has been like a viral product. I don't have any One Size products. The packaging is really cute. It's this beautiful little baby pink color, and you get a ton of product in here. I chose the Ultra Pink because I have the Huda Peach Pie. I do not have the pink Huda, and I have the L'Oreal Light Pink. So I wanted to try like a bolder pink under eye to see if it was something that suits me. I know everyone has been like loving that bright pink under eye. And I know One Size, I've heard the reviews, it's a phenomenal product. So I'm very excited to try this as well. Okay, and then this is the Haus Labs PhD Hybrid Lip Gloss in Guava. And I think I added this on. It wasn't like a separate add-on. On the page, you can like add on products to your box that are within the box that are like other selections for the month. So I think I did add this or choose this. It was between this and the NARS, and I ended up getting both because first of all, if a product says guava, I'm probably going to choose it. Guava is one of my favorite scent profiles. It's one of my favorite fruits. It's one of my favorite colors. So anything that says guava, I'm most likely going to try. I do love Haus Lab products. And so the price point was too good to not try it. I do have like a very berry lip on already, so you can't really see it, but I'm gonna work that into a look and see how that goes. And then I added on the NARS Afterglow Sensual Lip Shine. I'm also a huge fan of NARS products. I mean, if I were to name top makeup companies right now, it would be Natasha Denona, Rodial, Huda, NARS. That's it, you know? I feel like between those few companies, you can get everything you absolutely need. I do love, of course, Bobbi Brown and Haus Labs. I haven't experimented enough with Haus Labs to really like love all of their products. Rare Beauty's great too. But for me personally, my top brands where I would use the entire line, Natasha Denona and Rodial and NARS. I love NARS. So the packaging, gorgeous, you can't miss. And then it was just this beautiful sheer peachy pouty lip, and I could just really see this working on vacation. It's like a gloss but in a lipstick form. I couldn't say no. I do have a dinner tonight that I'm gonna get ready for and film, so I actually think I'm gonna use that NARS lip product with a lip liner. And yeah, if you like this berry makeup look that I have going on, leave me like a berry comment, leave me like a berry emoji, and I will definitely film this makeup look. It came out so beautiful. So if you want to see how I got this look, leave me like a raspberry or a strawberry or a blueberry or some type of berry in the comments. Okay, then next was this bag that you get to choose. Now I believe this had a retail value of, so this was the Jules Kai Mia bag, and this was valued at $128. The style is not my typical style. Although it's a very classy looking bag, I thought I would break out of the norm and like choose something that I normally wouldn't go for. So yeah, it's a vegan leather crossbody bag, which typically I don't go for crossbodies. Most likely I will wear it as like a clutch. That's really more my style. But I thought it was just so classy looking. The colorway and structure of the bag really invited me to choose this product. So got that. And then lastly in this bag, which is perfect for the season, I'm such a fan of like white and cream blankets. If you can't tell, my couch downstairs is all white. I love white and cream and neutrals. And this is the Height Bubble Blanket. You had to choose between cream or this dark blue. Obviously I chose the cream. It's retailed at $100, which is kind of crazy for a throw blanket, but luxury items, they do get pricey. And it is heavy. I mean, this blanket probably weighs like 5 or 6 pounds. Perfect for the winter. It is so soft. It is big. Look at how big this blanket is. I mean, it just keeps going and going. And I love the textured pattern of it. That's probably like the bubble. But I sleep with one of these blankets every single night. I'm like a cuddler type sleeper, and I just literally love snuggling with a blanket. My daughter's the same way, so 100% a win. So that is what was in my winter 2025 FabFitFun box. Honestly, really impressed. I think this is a great box to get. The price point is a little bit higher. I think it's about $60, $65 for every 3 months, but the products in it are so luxury, so worth it. And so far, so good. This is my second box from FabFitFun, and I am impressed. I do really like it. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you so much for watching.